Hi all, welcome to Acharya Coding School. Welcome to Linux series which we are in. In this, we can discuss about the day 9, Linux package management and how we are installing and managing our software. So before going to the, first of all, what is the package manager? So a package is a software program. Along with that, we need to having like metadata and dependencies as well as. So when you want to install anything, so there we need to install along with software. We are dealing with metadata and dependencies as well as. So the package manager is a mainly acts as a tool for installing, updating, configure and removing our software. So we have like a different types of package managers. So we have like a app. So where we are using in the Ubuntu and Debian machines. So apt is the advanced package tool, and we have like a M and DNF. So which we are using for the Linux machines, RHCL and CentOS, Fedora. So these are the Linux distributions which we have. Using this, we can able to install. So the package manager mainly helps us in the to install into the systems. Comparing to the manual installations like tar files, configure and everything. So it takes a lot of time. So using this package manager, we can able to install fast and efficient manner. So what are the main benefits of using the package manager? So it's automatically resolves any dependencies. So if you want to install a Linux machine, if you want to install any operating system, if you want to install a Docker machine, so if you want to install Kubernetes, so along with the dependencies also, it automatically gets installed. So we don't need handle of like any dependencies issues, and easy updations also will be done using these single commands. And it's a centralized software repository, and it's a consistent and secure as well as, and it says save time for admins. So in the Linux admin, if you want to install anything, for if they are approached to you to install something, then you can easily by using this package manager you can able to install the whatever the application they want, you can install in their system. So it's a saves a lot of time for admins. So it mainly keeps consistent and secure as well as. So the mainly the package manager is like a store manager. For example, if you take who brings everything you need to install your software without missing any parts. So without any missing dependencies, we are able to install an application using the package manager. So in this we have like a apt commands. So apt is a advanced packaging management tool. So we have like a Ubuntu and Debian. Using this, we have like update packages list. So we can give like, for example, if you observe, you can log into our machine. We are logging. We need to copy the public IP address, and then we need to provide the username. EC2-user. Once after providing the, then we need to provide the PEM key. You can provide the PEM key. Once you have inserted the PEM key, then you can able to log into our EC2 machine. So we are connecting to our Linux machine using the cloud, or else like you can connect using the virtual machine as well as. So whatever the way you can want, you can connect. sudo apt update. So the app we haven't installed on our system, so that's why it is saying a command not found. So we have sudo apt update. So it's mainly for Ubuntu and Debian machines. And we have like a install package. So for this we have sudo apt install curl. So you can install the packages as well. So if you want to remove the packages, so you can give the command like sudo apt remove. So you have installed the curl command. So you can remove by using the sudo apt remove curl. And we have like a, if you want to upgrade all the packages, you can give using sudo apt upgrade. By using this, we can able to working on the app commands. So these we are mainly using in the Ubuntu and Debian machines. And we have like a M or DNF for the Linux machines. So RHEL, CentOS, Fedora, these are the packages managed by the our Linux. So you can give easily. So in which way you can give? You can give if you want to install sudo yum install. So if you want to install anything, you can give HTTPD server. If you want to install, you can give. Then we can able to install the HTTPD in our system. So we are managing the using the m install command. So this command we are mainly using for the installing purpose. And you have installed the HTTP package. Again, you want to delete a HTTP package. Means with the package which we have installed, you want to delete. You can give sudo yum remove HTTPD. So it's asking permissions. Is it okay to remove? Yes. You can give. So you can see that it is deleted. Then if you want to update packages by giving the command, then you need to again create a package because we don't have any packages available now. So sudo m install Apache. Install not Apache, install Docker, for example. So here itself you can observe the Docker is installed in our system. Sometimes the installing takes times as well. We need to have a lot of patience. Let us wait until it's installed. Yeah. So now the Docker is installed in our machine. So then if we want to update Docker yum update, you give this command, then we can able to update this Docker package which we have installed. Here what we are getting now, just now we have installed. So there is no upgrade additions, right, within just 1 minute. So that's why we getting like any no dependencies or no like there is no updates. And if you want to search any packages, if you want to search search, whether you can search Python is installed in our machine, you can search Python. So there is no Python is installed in our system. So we have only Linux 2023 repository. Yeah, if you observe, by default, Linux is installed in our machine. So if you are searching, so the set it's mainly searches for the repositories for package matching using the keywords. So we have provided the Python keywords. So it searches based upon the packages. If you observe, we can able to see that the Python is installed.